So again, in our previous session, what we saw was how to create a simple bash script. We said in order for you to create a simple bash script, the file should be saved with the extension of .sh, and then that would tell your system that, okay, this is going to be a bash script. Also, you can, again, open an editor. You can use VI, you can also use other stuff and then other editors, Nano or any other editor, but our editor of choice is the VI or the Vim editor. And then you also need to tell your system that we're going to be running some kind of a bash script, or we're going to use the bash to run the script. Normally, once you write a bash script and you give it that extension, it's always going to be seen by the system as a shell script or a bash script. And so it cannot be treated just like the text files because it's a bit different from the text files. So once we create a script, you realize that even how it's seen is a bit different. So we'll compare that to a normal text file very soon. We'll create one text file and then we'll create a script file. And let's see. Now, once you create a shell file or the script file, you log into or you go into that file. The first thing you would have to do is you need to be able to give an instruction to the operating system to tell it that this particular file that we're going to be writing, it should be executed by a particular shell. Now, the shell depends on you. In general, by default, currently what's happening is that most Linux operating system will be running the bash shell. So you would want to say set a system to use the bash shell. All right, so as I mentioned earlier, the OS will have to be, the OS will be the one to execute it, and it has to be told where the script can be found.